Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at the industrial wet and dry vacuum available for hire at hss.com. This highly robust piece of equipment can stand up to constant use in wet or dry applications. Perfect for removing the excess water in the event of a flood or spillage. The vacuum utilises two powerful motors, resulting in strong suction performance, and the suction can be adjusted. The unit itself weighs just 28 kilograms when dry and runs off a standard 110 volt power supply. It has a 90 litres holding capacity and has a built-in drain hose, making it easy to collect and dispose of large volumes of water. The hose has an anti-static safety feature, and the wheels at the base make it easy and safe to manoeuvre, even when carrying a lot of fluid. The machine is also fitted with a thermal cut-off, so it will turn itself off if it becomes overheated. If this happens, then you'll need to wait for the motors to cool down before it will start again. To set up, simply attach the head to the vacuum using the clips, connect the hose to the inlet on the side, and then connect the wand to the appropriate attachments. When you are ready to use the vacuum, simply turn on the power switch to start the motors. When using the industrial wet and dry vacuum, we recommend a loose extension cable, vacuum bags, an RCD breaker, and a 3 kilovolt ampere transformer, all of which are available to hss.com, which can be added to your basket when you check out. To find out more and for all our best prices on cleaning equipment, visit hss.com today.